Hello, everybody. Back with one more question for DevOps SRE interview preparation. As you know, I done my research, and actually, before I do that, let me do a slideshow so you can see it better. And I came up with 15 tools and topics that are most important, sorted by frequency of words that were found in LinkedIn job descriptions for DevOps and SRE roles. The ones at the top, like cloud, CI/CD, performance, development, are more important than the ones at the bottom that are, for example, Docker containers and system design. However, I think Kubernetes and Terraform are misplaced, in my opinion, but that's just my opinion, not backed up by data. Today, we're going to do number 13, Git and GitHub or GitLab, but essentially at the core the same thing, just Git, right? That's the topic today. Git is how we do version control for software and in IAC, infrastructure as code. So the question today is, what are the differences between feature-based development and trunk-based development? So these are two main ways developers create and modify software, including SREs, where they can go to production or go live with their changes. So there are two main ways of thinking about it, the two main ways of doing it. Okay, before I get to the answer, just a friendly reminder that Floyd Spencer is my career coach, floydspencer.com. He's giving away 1 hour free session to anybody who wants it. I have no financial benefit from this. I just want you to know that that's an excellent resource to use if you are in the market. Okay, now, so first of all, what are they, right? When we say trunk-based development, we mean tiny little changes that we do, right, in your software, and you take it live. You're using your CI/CD pipelines, it goes live. You may do this even several times a day, right? Or you can take a big branch. Let's say that you're doing a whole new feature or something like that, right? And you took weeks to make this big fat change, and you're going to take that and merge that into the master branch, and that's called um, I'm losing my words now. That's called feature-based development. So there's two main ways, right? You can do little ones or you can do big ones. That's the big difference. Now, what does it mean? What does it mean? What are the advantages and disadvantages of either one, right? So first of all, the lifespan, the trunk-based development are really, really quick, and the feature-based, of course, could be a couple of weeks, even more, even longer. Trunk-based could be a couple of hours, just little codes, right? Frequency of I kind of flipped that. So the code, the length of the code for trunk-based is small, and length of the code for feature-based is much larger. Frequency, like I mentioned, could be hours for trunk-based, and for feature-based, it could be weeks, sometimes even months. Collaboration, trunk-based development promotes collaborative because a bunch of people are working on little things all the time and putting together. Feature-based is generally one person or a few people together are creating on a big branch of development, and they come back and merge it. So there's the continuous collaboration doesn't really happen in a feature based development. Code quality in trunk based development, the quality is ensured pretty regularly because you're constantly merging. So if something is breaking, you would know, right? And it's easy to spot because it's a small change. In a feature-based development, it may take a lot longer to make sure that the code you're merging with master doesn't conflict with something else, that is good quality. It's going to take a long time, and you may even reject it because after weeks of work, you may see this branch that are trying to merge is not high quality, right? So then you may have to go back and make changes. So these are two broad ways to think about how we introduce change to a production environment code branch. Okay. Last thing I want to say is if you have questions, you're welcome to find me on LinkedIn. I will try my best. I get busy, but I will try my best to answer your question. And if you found this video useful, please subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.